How to group objects in Freeform on Mac. So open your Freeform board and place here the objects which you want to group. I got here some straight lines. As you can see, I can click one by one, and if I move this one, I can move only this one. So I want to group them. So if I grab this first one, I want to also move all the straight lines. So first thing we're gonna do is to select all your objects which you want to group. And now we want to right click and here click group. So now it's the one grouped compound object. If I grab it and move it, all straight lines will be moved. If you want to ungroup it, also right click and here is the option ungroup. So this was how you can group it. If you want, for example, group this object and the last one at the bottom, press Command on your keyboard and click the other object. So only these two are selected. Now right click, click on group, and if I move it, only these two objects or straight lines are grouped. So this was how you can group objects in your Freeform board on MacBook. If you find it really helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.